Hi there. So why Walmart? Why is it worthwhile sourcing your products from Walmart to sell them on eBay? There are many people who do it from Amazon, but Walmart is an enormous company. In fact, if you look at articles about these two companies, they're compared one to the other. Nobody is going to compare Amazon to my next door grocery store. But Walmart is working in the billions and billions of dollars, and they have an enormous amount of products. And that is why we're going to consider Walmart as an excellent option to source your items. Let's take a look at their homepage. You have here a selection of options, of categories, and just look at that. Home, furniture, patio, home improvement, clothing, babies and toddlers. There are options, there are products which you can source to sell on eBay, which is absolutely enormous. Now, what is unique about Walmart is that there are many products which Walmart is selling that do not exist on Amazon. Furthermore, the market of Amazon to eBay dropshippers is enormous. Therefore, the competition is great. So when you source your products on Walmart, the chances are that your competition is smaller, and that's why you can also charge a slightly higher price and make a larger profit on each item. Another benefit of sourcing from Walmart is that when you source from Amazon, there are only a small amount of products from Amazon which you can get from them cash back. They're from very selected categories, and these categories change from week to week. On the other hand, from Walmart, one can get between 4 to 6% on nearly all products which you sell, which means that if you're getting zero profit from the sale itself, you can already get some profit from cashbacks. That's another reason why it's worthwhile sourcing from Walmart. Walmart has excellent help files. They explain everything in very clear detail, so it's very easy to learn the system. They have a great return policy. You can take a look. It's from the first 90 days after purchase. Amazon will only return your product after 30 days. So let's say if you sell something on eBay and you gave a 30-day return, and the person already wants to return it after 30, let's say 35 days, you might have a problem with Amazon. Walmart will still give you plenty of time. Also, the shipping on Walmart is excellent when it's above $50, so it's free shipping. Therefore, in general, we try to source items which are above $50 in order you should already have it free. Great returns. You don't want to deal with store pickups. That's not the kind of thing that you want, because you don't want the person to understand that they're dealing with a store of Walmart. And just like in Amazon, you have the gift option. So in Walmart, you have what is called lists or registries, which you can use in the same way as a gift. So the person does not receive the invoice, and they will see it as coming from you directly. Recently, Walmart has come in with a free unlimited 2-day shipping called the Shipping Pass, which costs $49 a year. It's similar to the Amazon Prime, but it has a number of advantages, which we will go into in a later lecture. Altogether, Walmart is a great place to start and sell your products on eBay. They have competitive prices, a huge selection, great service, returns, shipping, and one has an opportunity to earn a greater profit per product than you do on Amazon or other retail sources. That's it for now, and in the coming lectures, we're going to go into detail on how to source your items on Walmart, how to list them on eBay, and to give great service and earn a nice profit. Bye for now. See you in the next lecture.